Hey guys, welcome back to RTR. Today I just wanted to show you how to put your vehicle in brake maintenance mode. So this is only for if you're doing your rear tires on your Ford F-150. If you're doing the front tires, you can just do your front tires without having to do this at all. But the rear tires, this is for if you have the electronic e-brake, so the little toggle like that. If that's your e-brake, this is going to be for you. If you just have a manual one, you won't have to do this. But so in order to set this mode, I've watched a lot of different videos and it seems like a lot of them are really confusing, but straightforward thing is, so you just put your key in the ignition and you're going to turn it 2 switches just like that. So then everything comes on like that. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to push in the gas pedal at the same time as pushing in on your brake here. So push the gas pedal in, push and hold both of them, hold the gas pedal down and hold the brake in. And then what you want to do, see if I can do this one hand, is turn the key off. So what I just did is I turned the key off. Don't pull it out, just pull it or turn it off and then turn it right back on onto the second mark here. And then that'll come up as parking brake not released, and just keep holding the gas and your brake switch again. And you can hear a whole bunch of stuff going on in the brakes in the back. And there you go. So now you can release, everything is good to go. And now you can go do your brakes. So make sure to shut the key off and you're good to go. So you're gonna have that service notification there saying that you're in maintenance mode. So now when you're all done and you want to take it out, you're gonna do pretty much almost the opposite thing. So you're going to want to turn your key switch 2 notches. So then everything comes up again. And there's your maintenance mode. So now you're going to want to hold in the gas and you're going to want to pull. Instead of push, you're going to pull the e-brake. So push the gas in, pull. It's going to make some noise. So just hold it for a few seconds and then turn the key off. And then turn it right back on. And you're gonna again hear the noise in the back by the brakes. Park brake not applied is gonna come up. And then after a little bit, everything should just go away. And there you go. And you're all set. You're done with your rear brake replacement.